Right now, right this second, someone at your institution is pasting a loan application into ChatGPT. I'm not guessing. The Iona AI benchmark from February found that 73% of employees use AI tools without IT approval. 73%. At banks and credit unions, that means member social security numbers, internal financial records, board documents, all sitting on servers your compliance team has never evaluated. Your board thinks you don't use AI. Your staff disagrees. Let me show you what shadow AI actually looks like at a financial institution, because it's not theoretical. A loan officer pastes borrower tax returns into ChatGPT to summarize income. Done. The data just left your network. A compliance analyst uploads your anti-money laundering procedures into an AI tool to draft a policy update. Your internal controls are now training data. An IT admin installs an AI coding assistant, something like OpenClaw, on their work laptop. Nobody in IT approved it. And here's the kicker. That agent inherits the user's full permissions: email, calendar, internal systems, all of it. And here's what makes this different from regular shadow IT. When Samsung employees leaked proprietary source code through ChatGPT, the damage was competitive. When your employee leaks member data through an unapproved AI tool, that's regulatory. That's a violation of your data privacy obligations under federal law. Your examiner will ask how it happened. Okay, 3 data points. These are the ones that change this conversation at your next board meeting. First, 73% of employees are using AI tools their IT department never approved. That's not fringe behavior. That's the majority of your workforce. And the worst offenders are not your junior staff. Executives and managers are the most likely to use unauthorized AI tools. Think about that. The people with the most access to sensitive data are the ones most likely to paste it into ChatGPT. Second, the SEC has levied over $2 billion in cumulative fines for record-keeping failures. Those fines were for off-channel communications, texts, WhatsApp messages that weren't captured in required records. AI conversations are the next version of the exact same problem. Your employee uses ChatGPT for work. That interaction, not in your archive, your DLP didn't scan it, your retention policy doesn't cover it. Third, the OCC has flagged AI as an emerging risk in its semi-annual risk perspective. On top of that, the U.S. Treasury released a financial services AI risk management framework on February 19th. Google's 2026 cybersecurity forecast specifically warns about a shadow agent crisis. AI agents deployed by employees without corporate oversight, creating invisible data pipelines. So what does getting ahead of this actually look like? Stay with me. Here's what I've learned across 750 financial institutions. Banning AI doesn't work. JP Morgan tried restricting ChatGPT, then turned around and built their own internal AI tool for 60,000 employees. The answer is governance, not prohibition. Through Guardian, we configure Microsoft Purview to monitor and control data flow to AI services. You get visibility into which AI tools your staff are using and what data they're sharing without blocking productivity. Conditional access policies restrict AI tool access to managed devices, so your teller's personal phone doesn't become an unmonitored data channel. But here's what the institutions that handle this best actually do. They don't just block the bad tools. They give staff a better alternative, usually Microsoft Copilot with proper tenant governance. Here's the key. Make the sanctioned tools faster than the shadow tools people are already using, and adoption follows. Our AI readiness scan identifies shadow AI exposure as part of a broader assessment. It takes about 15 minutes. Here's the bottom line. If you don't know whether your staff are using unauthorized AI tools, you can't answer your examiner's question about AI governance, period. Start with a baseline. Our AI readiness scan identifies shadow AI exposure, governance gaps, and gives you a prioritized list of what to fix. Link is in the description. The full article has the complete shadow AI risk framework with specific policy templates for banks, credit unions, and mortgage companies. Everything you need to walk into your next board meeting with. I'm Justin Kirsch. Thanks for watching.